Do you want to improve your guitar solos? Play with more fluidity and faster fingers? Stick around. If you're just joining us, this is lesson 4 in the Flatpicking series. However, this lesson does stand alone as a tutorial for Cripple Creek and Red-Haired Boy. Please subscribe and give it a thumbs up. If you want to stay updated for these lessons, which I release at least once a week and sometimes more, hit the bell for notifications. We do lessons for everything in traditional folk music, bluegrass, Irish, and more. Lesson 1, we worked on finger exercises. Lesson 2 is pentatonic scales. Lesson 3, we got into diatonic scales. So now we can just play some tunes. Let's start with Cripple Creek. We've already worked on this, but we're going to start to amp it up a little bit and increase the tempo. Feel free to pause the video and repeat any sections that you like. Resources can be found down in the doobly-doo. Let's play Cripple Creek at 80 beats per minute. 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's turn it up to 120, and we have a backing track now. So eventually we can work it up to something like this. I'm going to play it at 180. Red-Haired Boy is basically in the key of G, however it does have an F natural. This makes it Mixolydian, but we don't really need to worry about that too much. Let's play that G Mixolydian scale. Follow along with the tab. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's play Red-Haired Boy at 80 beats per minute. 1, 2, 3, 4. When the tempo increases, we can go into down-up picking. Down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up. I'm now going to play Red-Haired Boy at 120. This was a little bit shorter lesson, but it's fun just to play some tunes sometimes. Thank you for joining me this week. Make sure to like, subscribe, share, hit the bell for notifications. Next session, we'll be back with a little bit more technique.